my name's Mike, this is Wordsworth Model Railway, and in front of you you can see my ESU command station, which I use to control everything here at Wordsworth. And in today's little short video I want to show you a new wireless app that I got for a smartphone. So the app is this one here. It's called the ECoS controller. It connects to the ECoS via the wireless network, and in here is where you do all your settings. I won't go into there because all you have to do is put in the IP address for the command station, and then this will pick it up wirelessly. To connect it, all you then do is press connect, and that's it connected to the command station. So I no longer have to stand here at the command station. I can actually move about the layout, and to select a train brings up the ladder list of all the locomotives currently being used at Wordsworth. Oops. Let's see if I can find the new class 47. There she is. And not only can you control the train, but I've also got control of the sound decoder as well. That's the class 47 starting up. The horns, and then to set the locomotive off running, just make sure she's in the right direction. And off she goes. I'll try and bring you up so you can see her in action. Here she comes round, and then we'll slow her down to a stop. Sound the horn. All done by using this lovely little smart app for the smartphones. A great find, and I'm very pleased with it. If you've got an ESU controller and you want to add wireless control, this is definitely the app for you. Okay, let's bring that class 47 back around. All we have to do, press the reverse, set the function, and off she goes. Sound the horn. Don't you just love technology? And then when you've finished with the app, all you have to do, switch the sound off, switch the locomotive light off. Actually, I don't think you could see all those, but just these function buttons here, and then that's the app now disconnected from the command station. Hope you've enjoyed the video. My name's Mike, and thank you for joining me at Wordsworth Model Railway.